Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Well, why would you want to manually add one contact into your Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically in the wild and you want to be sure to add them into your Monday CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one person into your contact, here on the left side, you're going to click on contacts. Once you do that, you're going to see all the active contacts and inactive contacts you have in Monday CRM. But to add one person, here on the top left, you're going to click on new contact. Once you do that, it's going to open up another line right here in blue. So you can go ahead and just click in the box and then add the new contact. Okay, and here you can go ahead and click and add in their email. Okay, now if they are related to an account that you have, you can click here and then add them to one of the accounts that you have. So we'll just use the test feature of Google. And then if you have any deals that you're working with them, you can go ahead and add them there. And let's go ahead and add them to the Google deal. And then if there's a value on the amount of deals you're working with that particular contact, we can go ahead and assign them a value. So let's say $4,000. Here you can add their phone number. If you know their title, here we can go ahead and add them as a type. So we'll put them as a customer and priority. So let's say this one is a medium priority. Now, if you want to add more information than what these details provide right here, you can go ahead and hover over their name and then click on these two arrows. Okay, once you do that, it's going to be the edit screen. So we can go ahead and scroll through here on the right and then add in more information or even comments about this particular customer that we need to reference back later. You can also click up here and then add in any kind of quotes or invoices. So let me close this out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.